Hi everybody, all my dear students, how are you all? I'm sure that you are doing good. Okay, so along with your studies, always have some relaxation in your free time. Maybe reading storybooks or playing some musical instrument if you can, or playing outdoor games or your indoor games, whichever you like. So doing something which you enjoy the most, this will, give you certain amount of relaxation and will keep you mentally and physically fit, which is essential to concentrate in your studies whenever you are studying. Okay, so that is more important. Whenever you study, whatever you study with full concentration and full focus, so that you never forget them, and that the knowledge, the horizon of knowledge increases. And always remember that knowledge always knowledge is helpful in some way or the other. The knowledge doesn't go waste any time. Okay, so with that I am discussing little more about the muscles, the important aspects of the structure of the muscles, right? So, particularly the skeletal muscles, because the skeletal muscles are enabling us to move our limbs, move upper limb, lower limb, some other parts of the body. Okay, so what are they actually composed of? They are composed of the muscle bundles. And muscle bundles are having muscle fibers, and plasma membrane is there on the muscle fibers, which is known as the sarcolemma. And the sarcoplasm, that is the plasma membrane inside the fiber, is known as sarcoplasm. And the sarcoplasm, a bigger area with the number of nuclei, is the syncytium, which is there in the muscle fibers, right? Now, the in the sarcoplasm, there are other structures also. There are some filaments which are known as myofilaments, and these filaments are composed of what? Composed of proteins. There are two proteins, actin and myosin. Actin is, forming the light band. There are two kinds of bands there. That is why these pattern of bands there in the sarcoplasm is the reason why we call it a striated muscle. They are giving a striated look. So these bands are what? These are the light band and the dark band. Light band is thinner band, that is band with light, some light, and this is also known as the I band, that is the isotropic band. Okay, and the other band is the thicker band, that is the dark band, and this is known as the A band because this is also known as an isotropic band. So these things you have to remember, that the thinner band is the light band. It is also known as isotropic band, that is I band, and the other one is the dark band, which is also known as the A band, that is the anisotropic band, and it is a thicker band, right? So the T band is the thinner band and the A band is the thicker band. This is clear? So going further, these bands are arranged in the fibers, and that is giving a striated look, as I said. And in the thinner band, that is in the T band, in the center there is a line which is called the Z line, which is dividing it into two. Okay, so there's always alternate arrangement: thin band, thick band, thin band, thick band, again thin band, again thick band. So these edges are always there of the thin band overlapping the thicker band. So in the center of the thin band, as I said, there is a Z line. Okay, and with the Z line, this thicker band is also attached with a elastic membrane, that is called the M line. So these are the structures, how the arrangement, how the thick band, thin band, and how the thicker filament and the thinner filaments are interlinked and are arranged in the sarcoplasm. Okay, and in between two dead lines, there is a space. Okay, so this space is also is known as Z zone, H zone. This space is known as H zone. So this is the internal, arrangement. In the NCRT book, you will find this very clearly written, and if you can read this chapter in this book, so nothing like it. You don't require any other book. You have to just, read, learn, understand, and remember these points. Okay, as I just tried to discuss. Okay, so other details are there in your book in this chapter, and in my next video I'll come with some other important chapter from your syllabus where some explanation is required, where understanding is required more. Okay, and if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. And another thing I would like to say is that if you have any query, if you want to know any any explanation from any part of your syllabus, please let me know. I will specially, prepare or make a video for that particular part or for the answer of that particular question. So this I did for the class 10th students also. So for class 11 also I am saying that I will do if required. So thank you very much, and I wish you the very best. Goodbye. God bless you all.